Jake was a busy single dad of 2 boys and a lively Beagle named Buddy. Whenever Jake came back from home, Buddy would be waiting for him with a waggling tail and slobbery kisses. Although being a dog dad added more responsibility to Jake's life as a parent, Buddy brought him unconditional love and joy. National Dog Dad Day was created in 2018 to honor dog dads and the special bond between men and their canine companions. Some research shows that men actually benefit more from pet ownership than women do. Dogs provide affection and purpose. Caring for a dog can help reduce stress and risk of heart disease in men, which many studies link to increased well-being and longevity. The importance of National Dog Daddy Day is to recognize the love and care that dog dads give their pets every day, and to spread the awareness of the physical and mental health benefits of responsible pet owners. People observe National Dog Dad Day in various ways. Common ways to celebrate include giving a car or gift to the special dog dad in your life. Some take their dog dad out for a walk or a game, or fetch with the pup. People share photos or stories of awesome dog dads and the joy they get from their faithful four-legged companions. On National Dog Dad Day, Jake's son made him breakfast and gave him a handmade card with Buddy's palm print. After breakfast, the whole family went to the park, including Buddy. They played, walked, and laughed together. Jake felt grateful for his family, both two-legged and four-legged. That evening, Jake gave Buddy an extra treat and belly rub. As Buddy snugged beside him, Jake thought of the unconditional love he had gotten from his loyal dog over the years. Despite the challenges of being a single parent, Buddy stood by his side with a waggling tail and a goofy grin every day. He knew in that moment that is what being a dog dad was all about. National Dog Dad Day allows us to show thanks for the dog dads who love and care for their pets with all their hearts. They get back that love tenfold and lead healthier, happier lives with a faithful dog by their side through all the life's adventures. June 17 is National Dog Dad Day. Here is a painting with oil pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful National Dog Dad Day. Cheers!